Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the speed of your GIF on the Momento application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select the picture you want to edit, and then click on the speed button down below, which is the third option. Here you can select the speed on this slide. So set it to the right position. Here you can check out how it looks like. And if you are done with it, click on the done button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And if you are done completely, tap on the save button down below again. Here you can select the format, original, square or story, and the quality HD or Ultra HD. You can save it as a GIF, a video or a live photo. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.